Hi, my name is Devakar Kinra, and I'm endodontic faculty at CDocs. And my tip of the day has to do with gagging. Actually, gagging is a really gross thing for me. I mean, if a patient starts gagging, then I start gagging, and the whole experience is kind of negative. So, most patients, when I'm going to call them the three-star patients, they really don't gag. Okay, but then you have the occasional person who gags with radiographs. That's like a two-star case for me. And a one-star case is when it actually compromises dental treatment. So how can we improve these? How can we fix these? Well, for those of you who have a cone beam, extraoral radiographs is a great way to get these bite wings. So extraoral bite wings are perfect for if you have a cone beam. They work really, really well. For those of you that don't have a cone beam, you can see here my assistants working on each other as an example. This is a great way to get an extraoral PA. So you'll see here the radiograph is taken with the sensor outside the mouth, and all you have to do is just flip it when you get the actual picture, because it does come in like in bursts, and it works really, really well. And for those of you who where it's compromising dental treatment, one of my favorite things to do is use this right here. This is a hurricane spray, and hurricane spray works wonderfully on the soft palate, numbs it up, and really that's where the gag reflex comes. Some people think it comes from the floor of the mouth, but it really doesn't. It comes from that soft palate. So if you can get that soft palate to be removed with any type of sensation, it works really great. And then once you place a rubber dam on there, a lot of that sensation that goes towards the oral cavity is gone, and you have a great response. So hurricane spray, rubber dam, and when needed, use it in a radiograph. You're going to use the extraoral bite wing feature of your cone beam, or you're going to take an extraoral PA, and I usually do that with some type of distraction method. I have the patient lift their left leg, something that really works easy. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day.